Subtitle: Earn Big Bucks Now, the Ultimate Guide to Profitable Affiliate Website. Video description. Welcome to Earn Big Bucks Now, the Ultimate Guide to Profitable Affiliate Marketing Website. In this video, we will provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to create and optimize an affiliate marketing website to maximize your earnings. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, this video will equip you with the knowledge and strategies to make big bucks through affiliate marketing. Get ready to delve into the world of profitable online ventures and learn how to earn big bucks now. Keywords: affiliate marketing, profitable website, earn big bucks, guide, optimize. Intro. Background music plays. Voiceover. Welcome to Earn Big Bucks Now, the ultimate guide to profitable affiliate marketing website. Are you looking to make money online through affiliate marketing? Do you want to learn how to create a successful and profitable affiliate marketing website? You've come to the right place. In this video, we will provide you with all the essential information and strategies to help you maximize your earnings. So, let's dive right in. Section 1. What is affiliate marketing? H2. Overview and definition, H3. Voiceover. Before we start optimizing your website for affiliate marketing success, let's first understand what affiliate marketing is all about. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals or businesses promote products or services through their website. They earn a commission for every sale made through their unique affiliate link. This means that you can earn money by simply recommending products or services that you genuinely believe in. Section 2. Setting up your affiliate marketing website, H2. Choosing your niche, H3. Voiceover. The first step in setting up a profitable affiliate marketing website is selecting the right niche. You need to choose a niche that aligns with your interests and passion, allowing you to create content that resonates with your target audience. This will increase the chances of generating more sales and commissions. Selecting affiliate programs, H3. Voiceover. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to select the affiliate programs that are relevant to your website's content. Look for reputable affiliate programs with high-quality products and attractive commission rates. Make sure to read the terms and conditions thoroughly before signing up. Building a converting website, H3. Voiceover. A visually appealing and user-friendly website is crucial for attracting and retaining visitors. Optimize your website's design, layout, and functionality to ensure a seamless user experience. Incorporate compelling and informative content to engage your audience and encourage them to click on your affiliate links. Section 3. Driving targeted traffic to your website, H2. Search engine optimization, H3. Voiceover. Search engine optimization, SEO, plays a vital role in driving organic traffic to your website. Optimize your website's content, meta tags, and headings with relevant keywords to improve your search engine rankings. This will increase your visibility and attract targeted visitors who are more likely to convert into customers. Content creation and marketing, H3. Voiceover. Great content is the key to success in affiliate marketing. Regularly create valuable and engaging content related to your niche. This can include blog posts, videos, product reviews, or tutorials. Promote your content through different marketing channels to attract a wider audience and increase your chances of earning commissions. Section 4. Maximizing earnings and conversions, H2. Tracking and analytics, H3. Voiceover. To optimize your affiliate marketing efforts, it's essential to track your website's performance using analytics tools. Monitor your visitors, conversions, and sales data to identify areas for improvement and implement effective strategies.